Blockchain is a technology that facilitates secure online transactions. It is a distributed database that records information blocks and links them to facilitate the retrieval of information and its verification. It was born in 2009 as a secondary actor in the Bitcoin revolution. So it is a technology that sustains its structure. Its main characteristics are security, transparency, reliability, efficiency, and trust. Blockchain refers to how the information is stored. Each transaction is identified using a cryptographic hash. A new hash, called Merkle-3, is generated combining several transactions. Therefore, one block contains the identifier of the previous block, a Merkle-3, and a timestamp. Miners are dedicated computers that provide computing power to the Bitcoin network. The miner who succeeds in completing the next block receives a reward. The rest of the miners must check the block. A node is a computer that stores and distributes an updated copy of the blockchain in real time. Each time a block is added to the string, all nodes are informed and this block is added to the copy that each one stores. In this way, the only way to corrupt information is to own more than 50% of the nodes. Blockchain is a distributed network, since the failure of one node does not affect any other. Regarding financial sector, the question is how can the blockchain allow financial institutions to carry out transactions more efficiently? The transactions nowadays follow a slowly process. Banks need to prove that each transaction can be done, and there are too many steps to achieve this. Therefore, the main two problems are the waste of time and resources. However, the future with blockchain is much more promising. Instead of each bank having central servers where all the information is stored, everything will be distributed in several nodes. For these reasons, we can save time, money, fraud will be avoided, we could eliminate black economy, and we can add smart contract features. However, there are also two main problems of scalability. The maximum number of transactions per second that blockchain has is lower than the one needed in the future, and the chain will grow very fast and can be too large very soon, and some other also about regulation. Blockchain can also be applied to other sectors as property registries, voting, smart contracts, cloud storage, and digital identities. However, big challenges had to be overcome. Shared distributed ledgers have neither specific location nor central administration, which represents a problem of liability. Regarding the legal framework, there is not yet a legal recognition of practical immutability of blocks, and therefore it could not be used as a legal argument in court. Finally, the fact that a blockchain is immutable may represent a problem. One example is the right to be forgotten, granted to each citizen under European regulation. In conclusion, blockchain has an uncertain but promising future.